we're doing problem 347, and then we have to return the k most frequent elements in an array. It's simple. We could use a priority queue, or we could just use this method, which is simpler to understand if you don't know how a priority queue works. So we need to get the frequencies, and for that we could use a map. So we use an unordered map. Call it M. This is gonna be the frequencies, and then let's get the frequencies. Is gonna be M at C, and then plus plus, simple stuff, and then what else? Now we got the frequencies. We need to store them into a we'll store them into a vector, because we need to return the k most. So what we do is we get the frequencies, and then we put that number and its frequency into a list, and then let me try to explain it here. So let's take a test case. This, paste it here. Whites. Great. Close enough. Could care less. So we get the frequencies of each, and then we store them like this. So 1, and then it has a frequency of 3, 2, and then it has a frequency of 2, 3, and it has a frequency of 3. And we store them like this in our map. And then basically what we do is we take these pairs. So 1 maps to 3. We take these pairs and we put them in a list instead of like a map. So it's just 1, 3, and then it's 2, 2. It's 3. This is 1, not 3. And then 3, 1, right? And then we basically sort them based on this value, on how frequent they appear. So it then turns, the list then turns into 1, 3, 2, 2. It's already in order, and then it's 3 and 1. And then what we do is while k, so we basically, because we need to return the first k amount. So let's say k is 2. Like for this example, we return the first 2, right? And that's basically the algorithm. And then we need a vector answer, right? And then for auto p and m, we can just plus res dot push score back p, and then sort res dot begin, and then this custom sort function pair ints a pair ints b, and it's gonna return is a dot second is greater than b dot second, and then there'll be something like this. It's, well, 0 I is less than. I don't want to have to do that, because then num's that size. That's extra function call. That's not necessary. And while k minus minus answer that push underscore back res I plus plus that sec first, then return answer. Let's run it, see if it works. Unordered. this after expression. What do you mean? Right here. Great. And that's that done. It's a pretty simple problem, pretty simple solution. The other ways to do a priority queue, I'm not gonna do it in this video, but basically priority queue just keeps the greatest elements on top at all times. So essentially what you could do is you build a priority queue based on the frequencies, and then you just pop the elements off the priority queue, and then yeah, you pop the elements off, put them into a res, and basically and you do that k times, and that's your answer. It's the same concept but using a different data structure. That's it.